P1 be the proportion of females in the population who can taste PTC, and let P2 be the proportion of males in the population who can test PTC. The research question for this study is given here. Is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males who can taste it? Okay. Have any of us done this before now? Let me look.
Yeah.
What is it?
Question 3. Okay. Round. Oh, okay. So
I worked on all of them.
okay, so I have a feeling my answer is not even close to right here.
What do you get?
To 2.83, but that doesn't seem right.
You divide the 52 by 70 for P1, and 42 by 59 for P2.
And that gives you 0.743, right? That's my P1.
Yep.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
And then for P2, it's just the same. You grab 42 divided by 59. That's going to give you 0.712.
Out.
Yeah, that's correct.
712.
If you plug it in on Excel, you're going to have all the answers there.
Okay. So 5, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question, which was?
I think it's A.
I agree. It's A.
P1 equals P2.
And then H, alternative hypothesis P1 different from P2.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound and upper bound. Oh, my heavens, child. Okay, hang on. I gotta throw this person in bed. Hang on.
It's okay.
Yeah, keep going. I'll catch up.
You got the same, Keith?
I got 0.031. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I got 0.031 as well.
Okay.
What's the next question? So, question 7, the margin of error for 95% confidence interval. I think it's 0.154.
That's what I got.
Okay, cool. For question 8, the lower bound, I got negative 0.122. 122?
Yeah, negative 0.122.
I got negative 0.123.
Okay. Yeah.
But I don't know. I don't know if it's right. I haven't submitted yet. Have you submitted it?
Yeah.
Do you get that one right? Was it 122?
Yeah, I did.
So 122 then. That's
Yeah,
weird.
negative.
Do you do it by hand, or do you do it with SPSS or Excel?
I did this one in Excel.
No, that's weird. Me too. I know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. For the upper bound, is it 0.185?
Yep.
Cool. For question 10, with 0.05, what decision do you make? So, how to reject the null, right?
Yeah, we failed to reject.
So A. Then for 11, which of the following statements best describe the outcome of this study? D. There's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who can taste PTC is different from the true proportion of males who can taste PTC.
D, the very last one.
That's what I chose.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay. Then for the next 9 questions. So for 12, I said true. The conditions of our connection hypothesis test are satisfied. Do you agree?
Yep, that's what I got.
Do you want me to continue reading, or do you want to read?
13, I put D.
D. Okay. Yeah. So P1 equals P2, and then HA P1 less than P2, right?
Yep.
And for question 14, for P1, I got 0.141.
Yep, that's what I got.
For 15, I got 0.145.
Yep.
And C scored negative 2.02.
Yep. 17, it's to the left.
What do you get for 16?
16 is negative 2.02.
Okay. So even though it says to round to 3 decimal places, do we just leave it 0.02?
Yeah, that's what I did, and it works. You can put a 0 after it,
Yeah, I
but
think
it
it's
always takes it off after you submit it.
okay, makes sense. So 17th, right?
To the left.
Mm-hmm. Is what you say, or do you say to the right?
To the left.
To the left, yeah.
Okay.
I agree. P-value for 18, I said 0.022.
Yep.
Okay. And 19, I said null hypothesis.
Yeah, reject the null.
And then for 20, I said C.
Yep.
There is insufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekday. Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I put for C, right?
Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
that's what I got.
Let me submit it then. Let's see. Yep, 100%.
Okay.
Sweet. Okay, do you wanna, let's go to the next one, right? Lesson 19.
All right. Now, SPSS, I couldn't get to work on part of it, but the rest of it I did. So,
Oh, dude,
I don't know.
I was just, don't worry, I was just using Excel. I'm
Yeah.
like super
I hate
used to it.
SPSS. I need to just go back to
You know
Excel.
what's the worst thing? Like the last exam, the data files, they weren't provided on Excel format. So I had a hard time because I had to copy the data, like open them up in SPSS and then put it on Excel because I'm so used to using Excel, you know?
Yeah,
Oh, dude, it was a pain.
I bet. But SPSS wasn't working for, at least I couldn't get it to do it. Every time I tried to edit something, it would get upset at me.
Okay, so for question 3, C, gender and voting preferences are independent, and gender and voting preferences are not independent.
Yeah, that's what I chose. I don't know if it's
Okay.
right. I haven't submitted this one.
Okay. Yeah, me neither. I haven't submitted this one either. But that's what I chose to.
Okay.
For question 4, I said C.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 is 1.
Okay, so how'd you get 1 on that?
So there is a little thing here that says on Excel, it says degrees of freedom. And when I pasted the data that it's found at the beginning of there, that's what I got. It just said 1.
Okay.
So basically, I think the Excel uses the formula number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1, and that's going to give you 1.
Okay,
Let me
because if
let me try to do it again just to make sure. What is that?
we don't count the total rows, do we?
Dude, I have no idea. I know that no, we don't count the total. We just count the, like, we will count female. So we will count Republican, Democrat, Independent. So
Okay.
it will be 3,
And then male and
and then
female.
female and male will be rows. So it will be 3 minus 1. No, sorry. It will be 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 times number of columns. It will be 3 minus 1. It will be 2. 2 times 1 is 2. I wonder why I got 1.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't sure, but I don't know.
Do you have 2?
Yeah, I have 2, but
Mhm.
if you count the total rows, it would be 6, but I think it's 2.
Okay, let me plug it on Excel again real quick. Doing it right now. So do you, when you plug the information on Excel, do you get 1 degree of freedom as well?
One more time.
So on Excel, when you plug the information in, do you get 1 or 2? Do you get 2 from there?
I just did that one by hand because I was using SPSS and it's not working the way I
Actually, it's
want.
2. I just did it again.
Okay, so it is 2.
Yeah, it gives me.
Okay.
You're right. Okay. So for 6, um, I said yes. There are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Yeah, that's what I put because that's what's in the reading.
Okay.
Now 7, 8, I couldn't get them to calculate in SPSS because it wouldn't do the data correctly. I got the rest of it done, but I couldn't get 7 and 8 to calculate.
Um. I wondered where did I get this information from? Let's see. So 250, 200, okay. Mhm. Okay, so according to this, so the test is statistic, right? That's like the C-score, right?
Yeah, but in the reading, it doesn't give a formula. All it says is it said for this course, this will be done in SPSS.
Because, so it says, what is the value of X2 test statistics problem? What I'm getting from this, so there is this little square on Excel, and it says C, or I don't know how you pronounce it. CHI square test,
Yeah, that's the right one.
and then it says test, and it says 16.204.
16.0?
And then the p-value that I got is 0.0003. And I already
Yes.
checked it. I already checked
16.
information.
16.0 what?
0.204.
16.204.
Showing the square, and it's basically the same data that is provided on the quiz.
Yeah, I know
Really big score though.
the other chi-square test I did, it was high, but that seems pretty high. I don't know. I mean,
Yeah. Like,
SPSS wouldn't do it for me.
and then for the p-value, I got.
Say that again. You're cutting out.
So 0.003. So 3 zeros and 1 3 at the end.
So for rounding to 3 decimals, do we just put 0?
So if we round it, it will be just 0, 0, 0.
Yeah.
So I just typed 0.0003.
Okay.
That's what the value that I'm getting from Excel. It's just that the same. It's the same value. And for 9, I said there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender voting preferences are 9.
You said A?
Yeah.
What's alpha? Did it give us alpha at all?
Alpha points.
Hey guys, sorry.
Hey, so yeah, so since all 0.05 p-value is so small,
So if
and
the
we will have
p-value
to.
If the p-value is smaller than alpha, doesn't that mean
We reject it.
yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. So that's why he chose A.
Yeah. Oh.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Are you guys on 9?
Yeah. Yeah, now we're going to 10, but yeah.
Okay, I put A on 9. Is that what you guys put, A?
Good for 7
Yeah.
and 8.
For 7 and 8? Let me look.
7.
So for 8,
Question 7.
for 8, I just put 0 once you round it. It was such a small number. It was like 0.000.
For question 7, what do you get?
Let me get up there. 16.204.
Yeah. Okay. We just want to make sure the same. You do it on Excel, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So for question 10, it says it's an issue for conducting a how do you say chi-square?
I think it's chi-square.
What chi? Okay. For conducting a chi-square test for independence or satisfied. I say true.
Yeah, that's what I said.
True.
For 11,
Then
I said 8.
same.
I
Agree.
said 8.
Okay.
At all.
What about 12?
It's so.
I put
7.436.
7.436.
7.436.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And then for the p-value, I got 0.40.
0.490.
0.490? Is that what you said, Camilla?
490.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. B.
That's what I put.
Insufficient evidence.
Sweet. Let's see.
Got 100.
You did.
Go
Sweet.
team, go. Sorry, I was putting little ones to bed.
Don't worry about it.
Sweet. All right. Well, I will post this to our collaboration boards so we get points for that. And I guess we'll see you all next week.
Okay.
We need to talk about the project really quick.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah.
So should we like stop the recording there?
Yeah. I already stopped it.